and that's about a minute's worth of polishing, and you can instantly see the difference. Holy crud. Yeah, I mean, in person, if you get real close to it, I mean, I have glasses on, I can see the imperfections still, but I'm way happier with this now. I see the imperfections over here. I didn't sand it down all that tough as it said I should. I was afraid of leaving burn marks. There's some burn marks right here, but right there, yeah, there you go. Now the camera's picking up, and right there. So that's wherever I was being uneven. That's just dirt on the inside, so that's annoying. There's dirt on the inside down there too. So eventually I'm gonna have to take off these tabs, open it up, and clean the inside of the lens. But yeah, you can tell the difference. That's not polished at all. That's one round of polish for like a minute.